Hello everyone, Chef Eric here and welcome back to the channel for another video. And today we're going to be making 3 of my favorite milkshake flavors. We're making Oreo, mango, and chocolate and banana. So let's get started. So flavor number 1 we're going to make is it's going to be chocolate and banana. This has to be by far one of the best combinations someone could ever come up with. And for this recipe we're going to need some bananas, which we're going to dump into our blender, some chocolate ice cream, and some milk, along with our blender and the glass. For the ice cream, as you guys remember last week I showed you guys how to make ice cream from scratch. I'll leave a link for that recipe up here, so please go check it out. It's like a simple 2-ingredient ice cream, but when you count the chocolate flavor it becomes 3. So it's a really simple and easy recipe, and you could practically do it with your eyes closed. So take scoops of your chocolate ice cream and pop it into the blender along with a little bit of milk, generally about 2 to 3 tablespoons. This is gonna help loosen out the mixture, help it blend evenly, and have a nice consistency. The more milk you add, the runnier your milkshake will be. The less milk, the harder it will be for the blender to blend, and also it might be a problem when it comes to pouring it out of the glass or even drinking it. So just blend it until it's nice and smooth. And you could decorate at this point. You could decorate the glass with anything that you'd like, but personally I decided, you know what, just keep it simple. So I took out my delicious banana and chocolate milkshake. As you can see, that's a smooth pour. It's like, it looks so stunning. And to that we're just gonna top it with some freshly whipped cream along with a banana slice, and you're done. Milkshake number 1 is complete. Serve this immediately. Do not wait any longer, but if you'd like to wait and you want to make a little bit, you would want to make quite a bit, pop it into the freezer while you make the rest. In the meantime, you want to wash your ice cream scoop and your blender jug, and you want to make our next flavor of milkshake, which is Oreo flavor. So you just want to take a couple of Oreos and just chop them up into rough pieces. They are going to crush up and in the blender eventually, so it's not really a big issue, just small enough for the blender to be able to crush them evenly and beautifully. So take out your blender jug and you want to add a couple of scoops of Oreo ice cream to it, and you could totally use store-bought ice cream, but you can use any ice cream, any of your favorites. It could be homemade, it could be store-bought, and you can make any flavor combinations in the world. The world is your oyster, as the Englishmen say, so you could combine anything that you like and it will work out perfectly fine. So next to our ice cream, we want to add in some fresh cut Oreos and some milk and blend it up until it's all nice and smooth. And once it's all nice and smooth, for this I decided, you know what, let's be a little bit extra and give it a little bit of a makeover. So to my glass I took some of my favorite chocolate ganache and I just drizzled it all around the inside of the glass. Optional but highly recommended, and it looked really pretty while tasting amazing. You might want to freeze the glass for like 2 minutes before you do this, so that the ganache hardens a little bit so that it doesn't mix with the milkshake. Pour in your milkshake. This one's a little bit less, so I had to pile on the cream and top it off with a fresh Oreo. More chocolate ganache.